Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're re-diving into one of the most mysterious and heartwarming connections in the animal kingdom, the unique bond between humans and cats. Have you ever felt like your cat just gets you? Like they see something in you that no one else does, maybe even something you haven't fully recognized yourself? Well, you're not alone, and it's not just your imagination. There's a growing belief, backed by countless anecdotal experiences and even some intriguing insights, that cats possess an uncanny ability to spot a special kind of energy, a unique light, or perhaps even a destiny in certain individuals, what we lovingly call the chosen. Now, this isn't about being rich or famous, or having a spotless house. It's far more profound than that. Think about it. Cats are incredibly intuitive creatures. They've been revered throughout history, from ancient Egypt, where they were worshipped as deities, to modern times, where they're cherished companions. Their senses are incredibly sharp, picking up on subtle cues we often miss: shifts in our mood, changes in our energy, and even things happening in the environment around us. So, what exactly is it that makes a person chosen in a cat's eyes? Let's explore some fascinating possibilities. First off, cats are drawn to calm and gentle energy. If you're someone who exudes a peaceful aura, who moves with intention rather than frenetic energy, cats are more likely to gravitate towards you. They sense safety and a lack of threat. It's like a quiet invitation for them to relax and be themselves. People who possess this natural calm often find that stray cats approach them, or their own cat chooses to nap on their lap more often than others. This isn't just about being nice, it's about a deep-seated inner tranquility that cats perceive and respond to. They aren't looking for loud displays of affection, they're looking for a sanctuary. Secondly, cats seem to recognize empathy and genuine kindness. They can tell when someone genuinely cares, not just about them, but about living things in general. If you're the kind of person who stops to help a fallen bird, or who speaks softly to animals, your cat is probably picking up on that profound level of compassion. This isn't something you can fake. Cats are masters of reading intentions. They sense the warmth in your heart, the gentle nature of your spirit. When they decide to rub against your leg, slow blink at you, or even bring you a gift, it's often a testament to their recognition of your pure and loving heart. They see your capacity for unconditional love, a quality that mirrors their own in many ways. Third, and perhaps most intriguingly, cats might be sensing a unique spiritual or energetic vibration within you. Some ancient traditions and modern spiritual practices suggest that certain individuals have a more open or vibrant aura, a distinct energetic signature. Cats, with their heightened sensory perception, are thought to be able to perceive these subtle energies. This isn't about being psychic in a dramatic sense, but rather about having a unique energetic frequency that resonates with them. Maybe you're a natural healer, a creative soul, or someone who simply has a strong, positive life force. Cats might be drawn to these energies, finding comfort, protection, or even inspiration in your presence. They might be seeing your true potential, a spark of something extraordinary that even you haven't fully grasped yet. Another aspect is patience and respect for boundaries. Cats aren't dogs. They don't always want to be picked up or coddled on demand. They appreciate someone who understands and respects their need for independence and personal space. If you're the person who lets the cat come to them, who offers a hand to sniff before attempting a pet, who understands when a tail flick means I need some alone time, then you're demonstrating a level of respect that cats deeply value. They see your understanding, your non-demanding nature, and they trust you because of it. This trust is a profound gift, and it's earned by those who truly respect the feline way of life. They recognize that you value their autonomy, and that builds an incredibly strong bond. Cats also seem to gravitate towards people who are authentic. They can detect pretense or insincerity. If you're someone who is genuinely yourself, without putting on airs, cats respond positively to that honesty. They don't care about your job title or your social status. They care about the real you underneath it all. This authenticity creates a safe and honest environment for them, allowing them to lower their guard and truly connect. They appreciate your genuine presence, your true self, and they reward it with their affection and companionship. They see past the superficial and connect with your core essence. And let's not forget the quiet observer. Cats are masters of observation, and they often bond with people who share this trait. If you're someone who enjoys quiet moments, who can sit peacefully and just cats often find great comfort in your company. They might choose to nap near you while you read, work, or simply relax. They sense your presence without feeling overwhelmed by it. This shared quietude creates a powerful unspoken connection, a mutual understanding that transcends words. They see a kindred spirit in your ability to be present and observant without needing constant interaction. Finally, there's a fascinating theory that cats are drawn to those who are open to magic and mystery. If you're someone who believes in the unseen, who embraces the wonder and enchantment of the world, cats might sense that spiritual openness within you. They are, after all, creatures deeply connected to intuition and the ethereal. Your belief in something beyond the mundane might resonate with their own mysterious nature, creating a special link. They see your openness to the mystical, your willingness to believe in things that can't always be explained, and they find a companion in that shared wonder. So if your cat has chosen you, if they follow you from room to room, if they stare at you with those deep, knowing eyes, or if they offer you their purring comfort during difficult times, take it as a profound compliment. They're seeing something truly special in you, something unique, positive, and beautiful that perhaps even you haven't fully acknowledged yet. They're recognizing your inner light, your compassionate heart, your calm energy, or your authentic spirit. It's a testament to the wonderful person you are, a validation from a creature whose intuition is unparalleled. Being chosen by a cat isn't just about having a pet. It's about being recognized, truly seen, by a wise and ancient soul. It's an affirmation of your best qualities, a gentle nudge to embrace the wonderful person you are, and to nurture the unique gifts that only a cat can truly perceive. So, cherish that connection, because it's a beautiful thing. Thank you so much for joining me today on this exploration of the incredible bond between humans and cats. I hope you found this fascinating. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow cat lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more insights into our amazing animal companions. What do your cats see in **? Let me know in the comments below. We love hearing your stories. See you next time.